Hey Lambs, it's me, Mrs. Tarantino, and I'm making a little video up of your homework. So I hope you did good on your quiz, and the homework is pretty easy. We actually did it for our starter, but just officially what we are doing is we are changing vertex and factored form of quadratic functions into standard form. And that looks really crazy. It looks like we're doing something really hard. And you know what? We're super not doing anything hard. We're not doing anything that you don't actually know how to do. So that's the good news. So I'm just making it look all fancy. So we're going to get forms that look like this guy, y equals x plus 3, x plus 5. And we want it to look like this, y equals blank, x squared plus blank, x plus blank. Or we're doing ones that are in vertex form that look like this, x plus 3 squared minus 6, and we want it to look like y equals blank x squared plus blank x plus blank. And we did it yesterday as our starter, but I'm just making it like official today. So let's try one. You guys ready? So we're going to start with the easy ones. We're going to start with these bad boys because they're super, super easy. You know what you have to do? You just have to multiply them. You have to claw them. That's all there is. So here's one to try. Are you guys ready? So it's going to look like this. So we're going to say, oh, I don't want that pen. Get out of there, pen. I want this pen. We're going to say, oh, I want it not to be super thick. Y equals, let's start with x plus 5, x plus 3, right? How do I write that in standard form? You know how. We claw it. And for my new students, that's what I call foiling. And I'm going to show you why. It's going to look like a claw, and I'm going to get super excited about it. So it looks like this. We're going to go first, right? X squared, outer, for those people who do FOIL, inner, I hate FOIL, and last, right there, right? But for me, look, it looks like a crab claw. Do you see the crab? I'm so excited. For everyone else, look, there he is. There's the crab. Okay, so we're almost done. We want to make sure we have the y there, and we need to combine our like terms, right? We got some like terms right here. We got this guy, and we got this guy. And if you're like, Miss T, literally, have we not done this a million times? And the answer is yes. Yes, we have. Some of you are getting pretty fast at this. You know that you end up adding these two guys and multiplying them to get the end, but there you go. Okay, that's easy. So we're going to make it a tiny bit trickier, but again, nothing that you can't do. So what if it looks like this? Y equals negative x plus 4, x minus 7, right? What would we do there? And here's what I'm going to tell you. Really, we have a negative 1 there. And what I'm going to say to do is this. Let's claw first, right? Let's claw first, and then at the end, let's change the sign with that guy. So here's what we're going to get. We're going to get x squared plus negative 7x plus 4x minus 28, right? We're going to make it look all nice. X squared minus 3x minus 28, but I got this dude out here. So what he's going to now do is he's going to distribute to everybody. He's going to go to here, and to here, and to here, and he just changes everyone's signs. So we're going to get negative 1x squared plus positive 3x plus 28. Yeah, easy. I know you guys got this. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Like I said, super, super easy, super fast. We did it yesterday. I just wanted to, get you ready for today. So here's what we're going to do. Let me get a nice pen, a little pretty one. So what if it's in that weird vertex form? What if it's this guy? X plus 3 squared minus 6, right? Well, here are the directions to do this. The first thing that we got to do is the order of operations say we have to take care of that exponent. We got to take care of this guy. So our first step is to write the binomial, that's the little guy, 2 times, right? So in other words, we have to say x plus 3, x plus 3, and that's because we're not really allowed to distribute that squared, right? So that's the first thing that we need to do. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and claw it out, or I'm going to write that in. The next thing we were going to do is claw, right? So a little happy clap there. So we're going to say, here's what I'm also going to do, just so you know. That -6 is still part of our problem. I'm just going to write him over here. We're going to deal with him at the end, because the order of operations say we deal with this guy first. So we're going to go here to here, x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. We're going to clean that up, and we're going to get x squared plus 6x plus 9, but I got to remember this dude. He's got to come down and be part of my problem. So now I'm going to have to clean that up one more time. Y equals x squared plus 6x plus 3. And that is how we take vertex form down to standard form. And guess what we're doing tomorrow? We're taking this guy and we're going backwards, and it's kind of tricky, but I like it a lot. So that's it. There are 2 on the homework that are harder. Those are for my friends who might be heading to pre-calc. And remember what you want to do there. It's going to look like this, x plus. It's the same problem I just did, but I've got a 2 in the front. Oh, I got a plus 6 too. So just so you know, we're going to start with this action, x plus 3, x plus 3. We get our answer, then we multiply everything by 2, and then at the very end, we add 6. And that's the order of operations, right? We're going to start with this guy, then we're going to do this guy, and then we're going to do this guy. Give it a try if you're up for it. Other than that, I hope you did good on your quiz. We'll get those back to you. And hey, tomorrow's Thursday, but it's Friday. Yay! Bye, everybody.